Oh, got these both ready to go in now, so I'll pop them in at some point. Oh, there's the new engine mount there, got the drive shaft back in, got the bushes in, got my mate to come and help me do all that because this shit's heavy and you got to press this lower control arm down and get everything to sit together. And it's a bit hard to do by yourself. The last two of these cars I did like this rooted me. So now I just got to wash this thing because it's filthy. But yes, that's all done. Just got to put the cover on here after I wash it. And yeah, cool. Go tighten that. Nice and clean now. Well, take this for a spin. Tightened up this belt. Just topped up all the fluids. I'll leave that cover off. I'll give it a clean and put it back on later. But see how it goes. Definitely runs better. Really likes to rev at cold start. Oh well, the unblocked throttle body probably thought that different. Oh, it seems to be driving alright. Well, it seems to drive nicely now. Much better than it was. Looking at the steering wheel. Oh, I feel happy. Still got a bit of oil burning off the exhaust. That'll take a couple of days to clear out completely. Oh, there we go. That can go away for now and come back later for hoses and auto service and a few other bits and bobs. And probably a timing belt.